Hello, homeowners. Today, we are going to show you what a 35-year-old roof looks like and why this roof needs to be replaced. So let's get closer and take a look. Over the course of time, these granules come right off. And the way that a shingle is actually made, it's got layers and layers of fiberglass and asphalt. And over the course of time, what happens, it actually wears out. And you can really see how just by lifting up this shingle, literally it's disintegrating. So this is a big problem. So the best thing that you can do as a homeowner is obviously not to wait for your roof to get into this condition. This roof is definitely past the time of replacement. As you can see, just by pressing it, it's literally disintegrating. What is actually keeping this roof from leaking is the fact that it has another layer of shingles underneath. However, this is a sign of a poor roofing job, and we actually don't recommend this practice. Now, as you can see, due to the wind, some of these shingles have actually blown off, as you can see right here. This corner just ripped right off. And if you can take a finger and push down and break the shingle easily, then that's a problem. You can imagine what a 60-mile-per-hour wind would do. Ultimately, this roof is at high risk for leaks. So if this doesn't get fixed, the potential issue that this homeowner is going to have is possibly within the hundreds, if not thousands of dollars of interior damage. This roof is in very bad condition. Now, the other problem with this roof is that it's actually unsafe to walk on. Because of all the shingle damage, it has no grip and it becomes actually quite slippery to walk on. If an inspection was made, the recommendation for this homeowner is going to be to replace this roof, if possible. The contractor should tell the homeowner that it is possible to file a claim with their insurance company. Now, this is something that an insurance company would cover because this is a non-repairable surface, obviously. And there is plenty of wind damage, so if they have the homeowner's insurance coverage, then they will be covered.